Hi everyone, welcome to the platform of Study IQ. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the current affair of December 2021 for the state of Assam. The pattern of discussion will be MCQ based. My name is Ravneet Kaur. So let's start with the lecture. The first question is about one award, that is Kabhi Sanman Bota 2021 title. Which of the following personality has won this title at a function organized by Mukta Kabhi Kantha, an international forum of poets? So, this international forum has awarded one personality and it has been provided to Biswajit Sut. You can see in the picture also. Next question is recently, which of the following number foundation day of all Assam Tea tribe student of Assam, ATSA, was held with a day long program, and this program has been organized in Udalguri district. So if in the question the district has been asked, then it will be Udalguri district. Answer is it was 74th Foundation Day. The question can also be framed like Tangla HS playground seen in news is at which of the following district? Then also the answer will be Udalguri district. The tea garden community has made immense contribution to the language movement, Assam movement, so it is part and parcel of greater Assamese community. Kaziranga National Park is located in the floodplain of Brahmaputra River. In which of the following district of Assam this national park is located? Answer is all of the above, which means it has been spread into Nagaon, Golaghat and Sonitpur district. Why this national park was in news? Because recently the solar street lights around the various villages of fringe areas of Kaziranga National Park has been provided. Next question is Anubhabar Anuranonan, a book published by Tinsukia Zila Sahitya Sevi Manch, is written by which of the following writer? Correct answer is Diganta Barthakur. This is important question. 5 books has been published by Tinsukia Zila Zatya Sevi Manch. Also, you can remember more books like the book of Paniti Bharua is Agrapathik. There has also been one writing by Sarat Chandra Chiring Fukan, that is Prabachan Vishleshan. So these writings are important, they were in news. This question is very important. Which of the following Assamese writer and journalist recently won the Sahitya Academy Award 2021 for her novel named Yat Ekho Aranya Asil? Answer is Anuradha Sarma Pujari. So she is well known journalist. She has authored many books and some of them are Hirde Ek Bigyapan, Neel Prajapati, Mereng, Kanchen and so on. She belongs to Jorhat district of Assam. Earlier, she got Vishnu Rava Award also for her novel Mereng. And in 2003, she was honored with Kumar Kushore Memorial Literary Award for from Assam Sahitya Sabha. Also, you can remember name of 2 other Assam writers, that are Abhijit Bora and Mrinal Kalita, that has received the Sahitya Academy Yuva Puruskar and Bal Sahitya Puruskar, which means the Mirnal Kalita has received the Bal Sahitya Puruskar from Assam and Abhijit Bora received the Sahitya Academy Yuva Puruskar. So remember, Anuradha Sarma Pujari has received the Sahitya Academy Award for the novel Yat Ekhon Aranya Asil. Next question is about Ujjwala Yojana 2.0. It has been seen in news. So for which of the following supply it is related? Answer is it is associated with the provision of free gas connections to the household women. Next question is who is Assam State Women Commission chairperson? Her name is Dr. Hem Prabha Bhatthukur. Next question is a special book on history of Assamese cinema named Jyoti Prasad Jomati Indra Malati and Beyond is written by which of the following personality? Answer is Prathijit Barua has written this book. Wild elephants wreak havoc recently in the Khairani area. So Khairani area seen in news is located in which of the following district of Assam? Answer is it is in West Karbi Anglong. Remember for this question which I have discussed with you about the book of Prathijit Barua, you can remember that book is written in English language and Prathijit Barua is famous film critic or short filmmaker also. This research-based book on the history of Assamese cinema is released in the Nagaon district. The district can also be remembered because it can be asked in the question. Next question is Naren Chandra Das recently passed away. With which of the following work he was associated? Answer is he was associated in escorting Dalai Lama. So actually he belongs to Assam Rifles. So he was veteran in Assam Rifles who welcomed and accompanied 14th Dalai Lama named Tenzin Gyatso into India in 1959. So he has recently been died. Next question is about National Voters Day. Every year we celebrate this day in 25th January. So which number National Voter Day will be celebrated on 25th January 2022? Answer is 12th National Voter Day will be celebrated and it will be celebrated in Assam as well in the Lakhimpur district. It was started celebrating in 2011 by the Election Commission of India to raise the awareness regarding the importance of voting in the democratic country. Next question is recently which foundation day of Azam Sahitya Sabha was observed by Dumduma Sakha Sahitya Sabha? Answer is 105th Foundation Day was celebrated with 105 lamps in the premises. This question is again important. Gajali Shishu Sahitya Award to be conferred to which of the following personality of Assam? Answer is Juglochan Das. So basically he is famous children literary icon in the state and got this award, Shishu Sahitya Award 2021. You can also remember that he belongs to Nagaon district. This award, Gajali Shishu Sahitya Award, provided by the Gajali Parkashan Nalbari. Also, this award comprises cash prize of rupees 4,000. This question is again important. Recently, which of the following IPS officer became Assam's first lady IGP? That is Inspector General of Police. Answer is Violet Barua. So she is an IPS officer of 2005 batch of Assam Meghalaya cadre. This question is about Laukhova Wildlife Sanctuary area. It has been seen in news. So in which of the following district of Assam it is located? Answer is Nagaon. Two forest guards were actually attacked by the picnickers in this wildlife sanctuary. Good Governance Day is celebrated every year on which of the following date of December? Answer is on 25th December. We celebrate it to commemorate the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. On this day, a bridge named Atal Setu was constructed at a cost of 195.32 lakh in the state of Assam, and also the bridge and road in Chhachar has been inaugurated. Next question is about the celebration of National Mathematics Day, which has been observed in Golaghat Polytechnic. So, on which of the following date we celebrate this National Mathematics Day? Answer is on 22nd December. We celebrate this every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of legendary mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan. This question is again important. Ibatere Montri Ejon Ahibo, that means a minister will come through this road, and Pintur Prathibi, which means Pintu's World, recently published books. So which of the following writer has written these books? Answer is Mihir Mosum Roy. This is very important question. So it has been written by Assamese poet Mihir Mosum Roy. These books are inaugurated at Assam Sahitya Sabha Kamakhya Prasad Ray. Who has been nominated for Professor Bhavananda Datta Award 2022? Answer is Dr. Biman Hazarika. Principal of Dhing College has been nominated for this award by the Mohan Chandra Mahanta Research Trust. The award will be presented on January 17. And the award recognized the immense contribution in the research work. Next question is Prabhat Chandra Sharma recently passed away. He was well-known sportsperson, academician, politician or civil servant. Answer is he is very famous academician. So in the academics, he did well. He is veteran exponent of Sanskrit literature and also recipient of Sahitya Academy Literary Award for the translation. He was selected for the Sahitya Academy Literary Award in year 2002 for his book named Kadambari. So he translated the Kadambari to Assamese from the original Sanskrit version of Banbhat, which means the Kadambari is written in Sanskrit originally by the Banbhat, to which he translated into Assamese. Next question is Northeast first hydrogen plant will be come up in which of the following place? Answer is Jorhat. The question can also be framed like in which of the following state the Northeast first hydrogen plant will appear. Then also the answer will be Assam. So in Jorhat, the plant will be soon coming up and it will produce 100 kilowatt green hydrogen. As compared to other similar project, this project is tiny but it is very significant for the Northeastern because it will be available for generation of sustainable energy or the clean energy in the area. Next question is which number waterfowl census is underway in the Kaziranga National Park? So the fourth waterfowl census will be conducted in the Kaziranga National Park. It will be 5-day census which will begin on 21st December. And it has already been done, which started in 21st December and ended on 26th December. Kaziranga National Park is famous for one-horned rhinos and also it is famous for the tigers. Kaziranga National Park is UNESCO World Heritage Site. We have already discussed it so many times. Next question is the girl Nazneen Zasim hails from which of the following district of Assam and she has been selected by the ISRO. Answer is she belongs to Kamrup district of Assam. ISRO selected this woman as the grade 1 scientist, which is proud moment for the Assam. Next question is Apurba Bezbarua recently conferred with Chatak Award 2021. He is well-known singer, writer, director or painter. So the correct answer is he is well-known singer. Next question is about Prapti Medhi, who became the first woman from Assam to win national silver. In which of the following category she won the national silver? Answer is in the roller skating. So in the 59th National Roller Skating Competition or Championship, she won the national silver. She is also the first skater to bag silver medal in the northeastern or even in the eastern region of India, which is important thing. Also, you can remember her time duration. So she secured the second position in the 500-meter ring race by competing in the race with a time duration of 56.62 seconds. At the national level skating championship, Medhi successfully became the only person to gain the victory at the national level rolling skating championship. Next question is about Viveknand Sharma. He was recently in news, so he was well-known musician, sports person, or politician or environmentalist. The correct answer is he was well-known musician and recently passed away. He was exponent of Borgit of Sankari tradition and a talented musician. Next question is about international award winner film that is titled as The Wait. It is very important question. 5 international award winner film titled The Wait is directed by which of the following director? Correct answer is Prarthana Goswami. Girl from Tezpur has been able to establish herself at the international level and bagged these 5 international awards for her short film that is The Wait. The film is directed by Prarthana Goswami and also you can remember Tezpur is in Sonitpur district. So that's why the question is important for the Assam. The girl from Sonitpur district has got the 5 awards. The Wait is basically Assamese short film. Next question is Narendra Dev Shastri Memorial Award for the contribution towards literature, culture, journalism and educational field respectively for the year 2021 was conferred to which of the following personality? So the award has been presented to Dr. Ramesh Chandra Goswami. Dr. Goswami also received National Award for Outstanding Efforts in Science and Technology Communication through the print media, including some books and magazines in 2014 by the National Council for Science and Technology, that is under Ministry of Science and Technology. Next question is who has been awarded the coveted Youth Carnage Peace Prize for 2021? So this prize has been provided to Riha Mahanta. This is again important question. In the December month, we have seen so many awards and prizes and these all are important. Riha Mahanta, basically a Guwahati native, has been awarded this award. And International Court for Justice Peace Palace, The Hague, Netherlands, has hosted the award ceremony. So, if the question framed like which of the following organization has hosted the award ceremony in which Riha Mahanta got the award, then the answer will be International Court of Justice Peace Palace, The Hague, that is in Netherlands. So, Riha Mahanta got this project for her peace building projects. The award winner will also serve as Carnage Foundation Peace Palace Youth Ambassador for upcoming 2 years. So now she will be Youth Ambassador for upcoming 2 years at the Carnage Foundation Peace Palace, Netherlands. Next question is Granth Adhyayan Divas is celebrated on which of the following date? So we always celebrate it on December 17 because on this day the noted intellectual figure named Homen Borgohain was celebrated. So on the birthday of Homen Borgohain, this Divas, Granth Adhyayan Divas is celebrated and it has been celebrated in the Lakhimpur. The institution has observed
this day to pay him rich tribute because he was very well famous in the social, cultural and literature development. Next question is, on Assam Divas, who was conferred with Borzom Award 2021? If you can recognize the picture, then the answer is Shri Imran Shah has been provided this award. Also, she has got the Padam Shri from former President of India, and now he got the award Bor Azam Award 2021. A cash award of 25,000 has also been provided. So he hails from Lakhimpur district. You can also remember the district. Next question is, Imran Shah, former president of Assam Sahitya Sabha, received Padam Shri. Remember this information which is put in the question. If the question has been framed like, which of the following personality has received the Padma Shri recently, answer will be Imran Shah. So the question is, Padam Shri is which of the following number highest civilian award? Answer is Padam Shri is 4th highest civilian award. So Imran Shah, former president of Assam Sahitya Sabha, has got this award. So that is it for the lecture. If you have any query, then you can contact on these numbers. Keep studying. All the best. Thank you very much.